Will you put in the comments right now, put in the comments below, one thing that you think we do in the apartment industry that it's got to go, right? It's dated, or it's annoying, or it's a terrible behavior, or it's just something you're sick of doing. Put that behavior below. Put it in the comments below. I want to read your comments. I know everybody in the group would love to hear what you have to say. But right now, let's talk about this extremely unprofessional behavior that I think everybody's got to stop doing right now. Number one, it's annoying. Number two, it makes you look incompetent. And number three, it really seems desperate. There is zero benefit from this behavior. It's extremely unprofessional. It's rude. It's annoying. And most of all, it's product focused and not customer focused. That's what we need to change in the apartment industry. We are so product focused, and not enough of us are customer focused, focused on our tenants, focused on our renters. Before I tell you what the behavior is, let me paint 3 scenarios for you, because I think every one of you can identify with at least one of these scenarios, if not all of these scenarios. First scenario, you call your tech support company. Let's say it's for your cable or for your cell phone, whatever it is, you call tech support. You wait on hold for 45 minutes. That's not the behavior, but we all know, we've been there waiting on hold. So you finally get a representative and they're like, hey, thank you for calling Big Tech Support. This is Dave. How can I help you? Hey, Dave, my name's Matt Easton. I'm having some problems with... Great, Matt. Tell me what your phone number is. It's 888-735-7451. I just wanted to tell you, like, I'm just rebooting the ad. No problem. Let's see what we got going here. Yeah, I need to tell you, I'm having problems. No problem, Matt. Hey, Matt, I just pulled up your account. It doesn't look like you have any problems with it. Well, Dave, if you'd let me explain to you what my... Hold on, Matt. Let me check something else here. Let me check something else. Annoying, right? Have you had this experience? All you can do is hear them typing away. They're not even listening to you. They're not even taking the time to learn about your specific problem before they jump right in and check what they've got going on. Annoying, right? Here's one. I hope you can't identify this one, but let's say you go to the doctor, right? You go to the doctor. Again, you probably sit in the waiting room for 45 minutes. Doctor finally sees you. Oh, doc, I am so glad that you've had this appointment, because, you know, I've been dizzy and I've got this pain in my chest, and when I swallow, my throat hurts. And the doc, oh, hey, no problem. Let me see what we got here. Hold on. But before you finish that, pain. You know what? Let me check my inventory of pills here. So we got this one. That's great for pain. I don't really know what this one is, but the drug company says you should have it because it's got pain, nausea. I don't know if it gives you nausea or if you're having nausea. Terrific pill. Great one there. This is if you don't like taking the smaller pills, these are bigger pills. Yeah, you had said, I can't remember what you said, but dizzy, I do have pills for dizzy. Great. When can you get down to the pharmacy? That would be totally product focused and not customer focused. The doctor's not even listening to what your specific needs are. As soon as you get a word out, they start pushing pills on you. That would be disgusting. And they should lose their medical license. Let me give you the third one. Let's say you call somebody for a date, right? Or somebody calls you, hey, this is Matt Easton. Yeah, I'd like to get a date with you. And by the way, I want to let you know on the date, I'm totally available. I'm not seeing anybody. Hold on 1 second, real quick. Just let me put you on hold. I'm going to go over and check my voicemail and see if any other fine people have called me. Oh, you know what? I just checked my voicemail, and I don't have any plans this weekend. Don't have any proposals. Nobody really wants to go out with me right now. So I just want to let you know I am totally available for this date. That would seem pretty desperate, right? So where am I going with all this? There's a common behavior that all of us do that's annoying. It's product focused and it's not customer focused, and it makes us seem desperate. The minute a prospect calls into your leasing office, you don't let them get 3 sentences out of their mouth. You don't even try and learn about their needs and wants. You don't even learn what's important to them. Before they say the one thing like 2-bedroom, 1-bedroom, 3-bedroom, whatever it is, and you immediately interrupt them and do this. Let me check my availability. You know what? I have we've got a Monarch floor plan. That's 1,375 square feet. It runs $2,400. I've got a Tiburon floor plan. That's $880. It's a 1 plus a den. That runs $1,175. And I've got a Woodley floor plan. You probably wouldn't want that because that's $2,900, and that's that's a 2 plus 2 on the Woodley there. You're being disgusting. I'm sorry, but you're no better off than this guy, the doctor that's pulling pills, or the tech support person that's not listening to them. And honestly, you're like sleazy Matt Easton asking for the date going, hey, I just wanted to tell you what's available. Stop this behavior right now. Spend your time on the phone with your prospects learning about them. Be professional. Now, if you don't have anything available and you really want to save their time, let them know, hey, we don't have anything currently available right now. That's fine. But there's no point in going into researching while somebody is on the phone, putting them on hold, and doing this garbage behavior of researching your entire inventory out of 300 units and suddenly pushing to them on the phone what's available. You need to learn what's most important to them. Why is that most important to them? What do they want to see first? Why do they want to see that first? Where are they living now and what their ideal scene is? And then you simply say, when it comes to availability, you simply say this: Pam, I need to check my availability, but I think I have the perfect apartment for you. When can you come by and take a look at it? That's it. That's what a professional does. A professional learns as much as they can about their prospect and then gets them to come to the property. And then at that point, taking the information that they've gathered from the phone, because they've gone through a very specific telephone process, they have selected a particular apartment. They have 1, maybe 2 backups tops. They know their inventory, and they're able to give that prospect the best possible tour. Stop being that person that checks your inventory on the phone. I know this is going to help you, and I know that so many of us do this. If you can eliminate this behavior, you are going to set yourself apart from the competition. Please, if there's any other behaviors, put them in. I want to hear. Maybe you think the same thing I think. Maybe you think something different. Maybe you disagree with me. If you disagree with me, I want you to give me a big thumbs down, okay, in the likes, and I want you to put a comment as to why I'm wrong. Hey, I want to hear it. I want to hear what you have to say. Put a comment in there even if you disagree with me, but everybody please put a comment in. And please, if you even work in the zip code of apartments, subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be giving you all kinds of hot tips that are designed to make your life easier, designed to help you achieve your goals in less time with less effort than ever before, and more specifically designed to help you love your job. Until the next video, my name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Leasing University. I want you to be great, and more importantly, I want you to get those leases.